Claude Code is still one of the best coding agent experiences, but this new stack asks a dangerous question. What if the agent and the model router should not be the same product? The simple version is this. OpenCode is the coding agent. OmniRoute is the traffic controller. Your actual models sit behind it. That separation matters because coding agents burn tokens like crazy. Tool calls, file reads, diffs, logs, retries, and long context can turn one bug fix into an inference bill with a gym membership. OmniRoute's core trick is not mystical. It gives tools one OpenAI-compatible endpoint, then handles where the request actually goes. If one provider rate limits, fails, or gets expensive, a gateway can fall back to another route instead of killing the whole coding session. OpenCode is the other half. It is the open source agent interface. Terminal, desktop, IDE extension, sessions, model config, provider config, and project-aware coding workflows. Claude Code feels great because the harness and the model are tuned together. The OpenCode plus OmniRoute bet is different. Maybe flexibility beats polish once the routing layer gets good enough. The spicy part is the free token story. OmniRoute claims it can aggregate lots of free tiers and route across them. That sounds amazing, but it is also where you need to read provider terms instead of just inhaling the marketing smoke. OmniRoute also advertises compression for tool-heavy sessions. In coding agents, that can matter because the expensive part is often not the user prompt. It is everything the agent drags along behind it. And because the gateway can point at local providers too, you can test the weird setup everyone actually wants. Cheap local models for simple work, stronger cloud models for hard reasoning. Reality check. Routing does not make a weak model smart. If your fallback route is bad at code, the agent can still confidently generate a very elegant disaster. The practical setup is quality tiers, fast models for low-risk edits, stronger models for architecture, and maybe Claude-level reasoning only when the task actually deserves it. Developers care because coding agents are becoming less like chatbots and more like operating systems for work. Once that happens, routing, observability, and control become part of the product. A gateway can also show what happened, which model answered, how much it cost, when fallback happened, and where your token budget went. The trade-off is setup tax. Claude Code is polished. A modular stack can be more powerful, but it can also turn into config archaeology if the docs, ports, auth, and models do not line up. The best use case is not replacing every premium model forever. It is controlling when you pay for premium intelligence and when you do not. For teams, the gateway angle gets even more interesting. Shared keys, quotas, model policies, and a central place to decide which agent is allowed to use which route. The privacy story is mixed. Local routing can keep some work on your machine, but the moment you route to a cloud provider, you still need to understand what leaves your system. So the real shift is this. Coding agents are moving from single app subscriptions to composable infrastructure. Agent here, router there, models everywhere. Should you drop Claude Code tomorrow? Probably not blindly, but should you test OpenCode plus OmniRoute if you care about cost, routing, local models, and control? Absolutely. Claude Code made coding agents feel real. OmniRoute plus OpenCode points at the next phase. The agent is not the product anymore. The stack is. I will keep testing these local and open source AI workflows as they appear. Subscribe to CodeMotion if you want the fast version, the useful version, and the reality check.